can reopen. Why are we drifting away from every
Panganjali.
Om Swastiastu.
Om Swastiastu. All right, good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Okay, how are you today?
I'm fine.
Thank you.
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, good. Before we talk about our topic today, I would like to have a presency first. Who is absent today?
Kamis.
Before we going to our material, it's better that we have to pray first. Maybe Eric, can you lead your friends to pray?
Okay, everyone, before we start the lesson, let's pray together. Start. Finish.
Okay, thank you, Eric. Okay, now sebelum gitu, nah di sini biar kita tambah semangat ya, Ibu akan berikan kalian yel-yel. Semangat pagi.
Pagi.
Ada. Oke. Ada KNRI di hatimu?
Ada.
NKRI harga mati. For today, we still talk about procedure text. Ya, kita masih belajar mengenai procedure text. Now, I would like to tell you the goal of our meeting today. The last goal is melalui diskusi secara kelompok, siswa mampu menciptakan sebuah prosedur teks manual dengan urutan langkah-langkah yang runtut dan benar. So in this activity, like our last meeting, we have a discussion in group, and then you will write a procedure text. Next, for the role. The first one, find a comfort and quiet place to study. And the last one, participate actively. Next, who still remember what did we discuss in our last meeting? Okay, Sekar.
About the last meeting, we talked about the procedure text, generic structure, and the language features.
Astri, do you know what picture is it?
Okay, that's alat pemadam api.
Ya, itu alat pemadam api. Do you know what is the English of alat pemadam api?
This is fire extinguisher.
Yeah, that is fire extinguisher. Do you know how to use it?
No, I don't know.
Okay, to make it clear, yeah, I will show the video. Let's check the video. Silakan diperhatikan. And then if you have something important to write, you can write it.
How to use a fire extinguisher. Pull the pin, aim at the base of fire, squeeze the lever, sweep side to side. PASS.
Now, I have some question. Who can answer? You can raise your hand. Who can explain this step? How to use fire extinguisher based on the video? Yes, Eric.
Is it PASS? P for pull the pin at the top to break the temper seal. A for aim the extinguisher low. S for sweep the extinguisher from side to side.
Okay, good. And then now I will give you one example more. Contoh satu lagi tentang procedure text with the title How to Operate Computer. And then maybe we will read it together. Yes, Sekar.
How to operate computer. In this digital era, gadget is the important thing in our daily activity. One of them is computer.
First, plug the cable into the socket. Press button power on the CPU. Press button power on the monitor. After that, choose the programs. After the computer completely off, then press the button of the monitor and speakers, stabilizer, and other computer device.
Okay, good. Yeah. Maybe there are a little mispronunciation. Unplug, yeah, unplug. Now, let's check your LKPD. Kalian silakan cek LKPD-nya. There are 5 questions based on the text. Now, please answer the question first. I give you 5 minutes. Okay, are you finished?
Yes, Miss.
Finish, Miss.
Let's discuss your answer. Yeah. For question number 1, what is the aim of the text? Okay, Niluh Dian.
Aim of the text is about to tell how to operate computer.
The last question, number 5. What is the way to shut down the computer? Yeah, Eric.
Okay, the way is the first, click the start menu in the bottom left corner, select shutdown and wait until your computer is completely shut down.
That's our discussion about how to operate computer, and then you have answered the question correctly. Now I will divide you to some groups. And what is the task? In this case, you will write a procedure text. You can discuss with your friends what will you write. But tetapi, please don't write or don't take from internet or from book. It is all of your own idea. And I will conduct you at your discussion. If you have any problem, you can ask to me. Okay, for the time, I will give you 30 minutes. Maybe you can leave this meeting first, and then we will back in 30 minutes. Kita akan kembali 30 menit lagi. Have you finished? Sudah selesai membuat teksnya?
Sudah, Miss.
Okay. Any problems?
No, Miss.
Okay, good. Who wants to be the first? Okay, Komang Sekar, please.
So today, me and my group make how to make a piggy bank from a carton. So the first is about what you need. First, it's carton. 2, it's wrapping paper. And here the steps to make how to make a piggy bank. So here's the steps. Step 1, it's make a pattern with a size of 12 by 12, then cut according to the pattern. Step 2, after that, cut then glue it with the glue. And finally, the piggy bank can be used.
Okay, good. Give applause for the second groups. Yeah. And the last group, yes, Asta.
How to make Canang Sari. Canang Sari is a religious ceremony for Hindus in Bali. For
The tools are materials. The tools is we just need a knife. And the material is ceper that made from coconut leaves, kembang rampai that made from sliced pandan plants, and the last is water.
Okay, the step is first, prepare the materials and tools used. Second, slice the banana and sugarcane for flat filling.
After that, arrange white flowers in the east, red flowers in the south, purple henna flowers in the north, and glitter flowers in the west. Then place it on top or the middle of the flower arrangement. And ready, chana plate is ready to be used in prayer.
Okay, good. Thank you for the third group. I feel very surprised, yeah, that you have an idea to make Canang Sari. Okay, give applause for the third group. Ya, kita berikan tepuk tangan dulu untuk kelompok yang ketiga. You are very great. Ya, kalian sangat luar biasa. Now, from the first presenter and then the second group and the third group, I have some questions. The first one for the third group, jadi kelompok yang ketiga, how to make canang sari. And I have a question. On your procedure text, you write that we have to put the white color on the east. The last one, the purple flower in the north. Is it right? Why we have to put or arrange them like that?
Because they are symbols of Lord position.
For the third group, you make procedure text how to make piggy banks. Okay, the piggy banks. What do you mean by a piggy banks?
Piggy banks itu celengan, Miss, atau tempat penyimpanan uang.
Why the name is piggy banks?
Karena di sini kita buatnya tentang celengan yang berbentuk babi, jadi kepikirannya ke piggy banks.
Okay, good. Yeah, that's good idea. Nah, sekarang kita akan lanjutkan ke kegiatan penutup. We have a reflection. Now, please fill the table.
I'm good at understanding written procedure text, analyzing the sequence of procedure text, and reading procedure text of manual. But I need improvement in understanding spoken procedure text and improvement vocabulary. Thank you.
Okay. Maybe for the next step or for the next meeting, we will improve more. Okay, because the material is already done. Now it's time for quiz. You can leave this meeting and I will send the link in our group because we will meet this meeting. Okay, Eri, please.
Okay, friend, before we finish the lesson, let's pray together. Start. Finish.
Okay, thank you. See you next meeting.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you, Miss. See you.